Alright, I wanted to go over the appearance tab of the theme option since it's pretty crucial. So the first thing, let's just start from the top, is the logo. And I have a PSD file, a Photoshop file of the logo that's included with the theme if you wanted to use the exact same logo size. Um, if not, you can use whatever logo size you want with this theme. So for example, I'm just going to upload a logo. It's just purely demonstration purposes. It's a really ugly logo. Or it's a pretty logo. It's my logo, but it doesn't fit with the theme. Anyways, back to the subject. So we upload an image and we click use this image. So we have our new image and we click save changes. And we now have a giant logo up there. And so that's cool. That's just how to upload the logo. Fave icons the same way. If you wanted to upload a favorite icon, it's a little icon that is right there. Footer columns, we went over this in the widget video, which is how many columns in the footer. Vertical menu bar, this one you might want to change. I had a lot of questions about it. So if you want to have the vertical menu bar, we click yes. What it is by default, oh, hold on one second. Okay, so by default, when you hover over the menu, the drop down is horizontal. So if you wanted a vertical one, you'll want to select vertical menu bar as yes and save that option. So once we refresh this page, when we hover over, it's a vertical traditional menu. It was a pretty big request, so I made sure to build that in to the theme. Alright, sidebar position, it's pretty basic. So for the blog, if you want it on the right or the left, same with the pages. Then we have a whole bunch of color options. I'm going to go to the live, refer to the live preview. If you're using these color pickers and you find a color that you want, you can just copy this 6-digit code over into this spot right here and paste it. Let's say if you wanted the header background color or the footer to be that certain color, and so on for these examples, for the navigation and the headings. So I'm going to refresh that and we should have that blue color as the background. Very simple to adjust the colors, or you can just do it manually from here as well. So you have full control over the colors on header, footer, navigation, and the navigation font color if you chose to adjust that as well. And then at the very bottom we have heading adjustment sizes if you wanted to adjust that. And I have the default size next to it if you would like to, if you change it and you want to change your mind and swap back. And one last thing is if you upload a very large logo, it might run into your menu. So what you can do is you can add more logo spacing. So I'm going to make this a giant number and save this changes. And it's just to show you an example that you can move the menu down and it won't affect the home page, just the sub pages. And if you want to revert back, I have the default option right there. So we'll default back to 115 for the logo spacing. We'll save that and it'll go back. And that's just in case you have a really tall logo. It might run into the menu and you can sort that out on your own without having to adjust any CSS or anything like that. And that's the appearance tab.